Hello, dear students. Today I discuss about periodic table. Now, what is periodic table? Now, it is 1118 elements are present or discovered in our world. But all the properties of each element, it is very difficult to remember individually. Okay, so but with the help of periodic table we can systematically discuss all the properties of 118 element easily. Okay, then this periodic table is discovered by Mendeleev. Okay, Mendeleev. Before we discuss about this periodic table proposed by Mendeleev, some scientists before Mendeleev discovered some rules. First, triad law proposed by Dove-Renner. He said that if we arrange the same properties containing element according to atomic mass, so continuously three elements like this, the atomic mass of the middle element will be average of first and third one. Say for example, lithium, sodium, potassium. Atomic mass of lithium is 7 and potassium is 39. So what will be the atomic mass of sodium? Average of these two. 39 plus 7, 46 by 2, 23. Okay, so same properties containing three consecutive elements, the atomic mass of the middle element will be the average of the first and last one. Next, Newland octet law. Newland octet law. When Newland discovered this octet law, any inert element does not discover, and he arranged the element according to atomic mass: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium. And he discovered that if the starting element this, so it will be 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 8th element has the same properties of the first one. So the 8th element will be located at the lower of the first one. Okay. So any starting point of any element, the 8th element has the same properties. This is Newland octet law. And using this law cannot applicable to the whole periodic table. Next Mendeleev periodic law. What is this? Mendeleev periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of the element are periodic function of atomic weight. Okay, so if we increase the atomic mass, the physical and chemical properties periodically change. And when Mendeleev discovered this periodic table, only 63 elements were discovered, and he arranged the element by some horizontal line and some vertical line. These horizontal lines are called period and vertical line is called group. In the first periodic table proposed by Mendeleev, their period is 7 and group was 8, and after some days the inert gas are discovered and they present at a group is called 0 group. Okay, but this periodic table proposed by Mendeleev has some utility or has some drawback, has some importance, has some drawback. Now first, what are the importance of periodic table? So first important, first one is with the help of this periodic table we can easily or systematically discuss all the properties of an element. Okay. Number 2, only 63 elements were discovered, so lot of position was empty, so it helps to the scientists discover some new elements. Number 3, using this periodic table some atomic mass of some element was corrected. Okay, let's for example, beryllium, its atomic mass was 13.5. Before the periodic table discovered, the atomic mass of beryllium was 13.5, but after periodic table the atomic mass of beryllium was corrected and it was 9, because this 4.5 is equivalent weight of beryllium and equivalent weight E, and if we multiply valency with equivalent weight we get atomic mass, and at that situation the beryllium has the valency 3, but after discovered of periodic table it proved that the valency of beryllium is 2, so 4.5 into 2 is 9. This is the importance of periodic table, but it has some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks? Now the drawback of the periodic table, what are they? First, the position of hydrogen actual position of the hydrogen cannot tell by this scientist Mendeleev, because hydrogen has the similar properties with lithium, sodium, potassium, these group, and also fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, this group. So hydrogen position is here or here. It cannot explain by Mendeleev. Number 2, after discover of isotope, say for example hydrogen 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, but these three isotopes have their different atomic mass, so their position will be different, but in periodic table the position of hydrogen is 1, একটাই position, one position. So this is the position of the isotopes cannot explain by Mendeleev. Number 3, argon and potassium. Argon is located at period 3 and group 7b. Potassium period 4 and group 1a. 7b are group 1a. But atomic mass of argon is 39.9 or potassium is 39.3. So it has lower atomic mass. So the position of the potassium will be first, then argon, but this is period 3 and this is period 4. Okay, this position of potassium and argon cannot explain by this Mendeleev periodic law. And to overcome this problem, modern periodic law is proposed, and the modern periodic law is the atomic all the physical and chemical properties is periodically changed by the atomic number, not according to atomic mass. The previous or old periodic law is the physical or chemical properties is a periodic function of atomic mass, but here is atomic number. So hydrogen isotopes of hydrogen is 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. These three isotopes all has atomic number 1, so the same position. Okay, argon 18, potassium 19, atomic number. So lower position is higher position. It's okay. Okay, but the drawbacks of modern periodic law is the same. The position of hydrogen cannot explain. Okay, and according to modern periodic table, the number of period is 7 and group is 18, and 7 periods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In period 1 only 2 elements are present, and that is why period 1 is called shortest period. Number 2 and 3, 8 elements are present, short period. 4 and 5, 18 elements are present, long period. 6, 32 elements are present, called longest period, and 7 is called incomplete period. Okay, similarly group 18 number of groups has different name. Group 1 is called alkaline metal. Group 2 alkaline earth metal. Okay. Group 3 to 12 called D block element or transition metal. Group 13 is called boron family. 14 is called carbon family. 15 nitrogen. 16 chalcogen. 17 halogen. 18 is noble gas. Noble gas or inert gas. These are the name of period and group, and also you write the example of this. Here question is done. No, write the name of a chalcogen element, nitrogen element, halogen element, etc. These types of question here. Next, with the help of atomic number, we can arrange the electron around nucleus of any atom, and this is called electronic configuration. Okay. Now we know electronic configuration is written as follows. How? First, we know 17 orbit K, L, M, N, O, P, Q are present around nucleus. Okay? And every orbit is consist by orbital, and orbitals are S, P, D, F, G, H, etc. First orbit means one orbital, so S. Second orbit means two orbitals, S and P. Third one is S, P, D. Fourth one is S, P, D, F. Okay, but first orbit means n is equal to 1, principal quantum number. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this S orbital from first orbit, so it is written as 1s. This is 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4s. And every orbital S, P, D, and F, S maximum 2 electrons hold. P 6, A, D 10, F 40. Okay. Now, according to Aufbau principle, these orbital arrange according to energetically by this way. So first 1s, then we have so 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, and etc. Okay. So using this energy sequence of orbital and mentioning the maximum holding electron top to this orbital, we get electronic configuration. How? Hydrogen atomic number 1, so electronic configuration will be 1s1. Helium 2, 1s2. Lithium 3, so 1s2, s maximum 2, তারপর 2s 1. Beryllium 4, 1s2, 2s2, 2s2, sorry. Boron 5, 1s2, 2s2, তারপর next হচ্ছে 2p1. Okay, so you write up to 30.